All right, guys, you are looking at a custom fitted grill set, 6 top, 6 bottom teeth. Now, this one here is made with solid 925 sterling silver and it has gold plating on it. Check that out. It's a beautiful grill set, guys. 6-on-6. You can choose other combinations. You can do 8-on-8, 10-on-10, or you can mix it up, bottom or top. It's up to you. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, quick service. This is a handmade grill set, guys, so it's gonna fit perfectly. Okay, I'll show you the back side real quick. So basically, it's a custom fit. It just snaps right on the teeth. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.